Ayan. So, final na to. So, good evening, Janine. First and foremost, I wanted to extend my greetings and my love for you by saying happy, 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 happy birthday. Happy, happy birthday, Janine. Happy, happy birthday, Kuzo. And happy, 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 happy 18th birthday, Pretty. Yes, Pretty, I mean it. You're pretty every day, every hour, every second, and every minute, every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So, for life, you're pretty, okay? Just yun na nga, singhatin mo na yun na pambobola ko. So, secondly, I just want to say sorry kasi alam ko habang pinapanood mo nyo tong video na to, may possibility na wala pa ako. Maybe late ako, maybe late ako, nakararating ko lang. And the worst, baka nasa biyahe ako. Pero, I tell you, hindi kita i-enjoyin, pupunta ako. Here's my gift pa nga, oh. I'm so ready na for your party. And, I'm so excited to see you beautifully wearing your gorgeous gown. So, to start with, we both know that I had been part of your 18 years of existence, and I must say that I'm so grateful to be your cousin. Yes, to be your cousin. And in that 18 years of existence, nakita ko na lahat ng tinatago mo. Yeah. Nakita ko kung paano ka maligo, kung paano ka kumain, kung paano ka naging masaya, kung paano ka pagalitan ni Mami at Daddy, kung paano ka natisod, kung paano ka na in love, at syempre, kung paano ka umiyak. Yun, kung paano ka umiyak. Don't worry, hindi ko sasabihin. It's our secret. So, yes, you're always fun to do crazy stuff kasi crazy ka nga, and I know that is to fill your emptiness, and alam kong para yun sa sarili mo rin lang. And then, ayun nga, nakita na rin kita kung paano ka nag-commit ng mistakes. And alam ko, unahan mo ako. Sasabihin mong nobody's perfect. And then, they're right. They're very right. Kasi you're the very evidence of it. So, joke lang. Just. So, ngayon, by the way, I just wanted you to know that in every single smile you gave us, it made us smile. I don't know why, pero it's a great feeling na sana ma-flatter ka kasi I don't know, charming mo kasi. Just. And the way you give advice to others, and especially to me, the way you share your love and blessings to others, and especially to me ulit, the way we both share some nonsense things. Yes, aminado tayo dyan. Tapos, the way we used to love for nothing, the way we share our secrets together are the ways I loved about you. Sorry kung medyo slow mo So, ito, I'm saying this na hindi man tayo best friends, pero gusto kong sabihin to. Cause we're best friends and we know we're like sisters together. Hanging out with you, laughing out with you is the best I know. Hindi mo man maalala, pero yun yung kanta na chinorba ko. Basta, yun na yun. To end with, I want you to greet a happy, 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 happy birthday again. And I hope in your another 18 years, I'll be lucky again sharing it with you. So, as the song goes by, you can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends supposed to be. So sis, count me in. I love you. Happy birthday.